how do Honda Civic wheel spacers work? The Honda Civic wheel spacers can be installed as aftermarket part. The high-quality Honda Civic wheel spacer can help the vehicle with more modifications and upgrades, including the brake system upgrades, aftermarket wheel adaptation, cosmetic changes, better handling, and more. Honda Civic wheel spacers offer easy and quick wheel position adjustment, allowing the wheels to be moved outward to a specific position, usually first with the fenders, while ensuring the structural safety of the vehicle. The lines of the vehicle will be fuller, giving the vehicle an aggressive and track-built appearance. Using Honda Civic wheel spacers allow you to safely fit wider tires on your existing wheel or upgrade to bigger wheels without rubbing against the frame, wheel hub assembly, or other suspension components, improving traction and handling even more. If you're looking to upgrade the wheel with good Honda Civic wheel spacers, then look no further than BONOSS. The BONOSS manufacturing a huge range of Honda Civic wheel spacers to fit a massive variety of different wheels and applications. Designed by professional mechanical engineers, these are made in an independent factory to the highest quality and are full of more than 66 SDS and GV test reports. BONOSS also offers the choice of Honda Civic wheel spacers from 15mm to 50mm. BONOSS Honda Civic wheel spacers are for all forged. The manufacturing process of forge made the internal structure of the spacer denser and firmer. Meanwhile, the material used is aluminum alloy, and it has many outstanding characteristics, such as high strength, wear resistance, excellent thickness, impact resistance, and high temperature resistance. This metal has good mechanical properties. Compared with industry standards, these cheap spacers, which are used low-quality wheel spacers, are not strong enough and will endanger driving safety under strong impact. By contrast, BONOSS insists on producing professional Honda Civic wheel spacers. In addition, BONOSS forged active cooling wheel spacers are designed with heat dissipation grooves to make brake cooling better, distributed in petrol shape. These grooves allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer when it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actively dissipating heat from the braking system. There are small notches that are distributed on the corner of the wheel spacers. These notches act as air collectors which tremendously enlarge the airflow, enhancing the heat dissipation effect and improving road safety. Also, BONOSS Honda Civic wheel spacers come with a 10-year warranty, which gives drive peace of mind.
If you want to get the BONOSS wheel spacers, please make sure to see the link in the description. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.